welcome to my channel, Cancer Moon Oracles. My name is Rosa and I am coming in with your weekly love reading, where in this video we're going to take a look at your current love situation. Like, share, subscribe if it resonates. We're going to open up by asking Spirit and Tarot, how does this person currently feel towards a sign of Leo? We have the Four of Pentacles as their current feelings for you. Why the Four of Pentacles for this person's current feelings towards Leo? Why the Four of Pentacles, Spirit? Judgment in reverse. Judgment in reverse. Okay. I'm seeing this as a very closed off energy, Leo. So this person doesn't feel like it's a good idea to be vulnerable or be open with you. This person is feeling very closed off, guarded and protective at this time. Okay. Very guarded, very protective, very withdrawn. This person doesn't feel like sharing with you. I'm seeing the angel here as like this person sharing news with you, sharing information with you. This person doesn't feel like sharing something with you here. Maybe this person doesn't feel, it's like they're guided to not reveal something to you at this time. Yeah, they're guided to just, you know, stay silent or stay quiet and just keep their cards very close to their chest. How do you feel towards this person, Leo? What are your feelings towards this person? The World. Okay. Your feelings are the World. Why the World for Leo's feelings towards this person? The World. Why the World for Leo's feelings towards this person? Strength in reverse. Okay, Leo. With the World card, you feel like this person is being very distant with you. You feel like they are being emotionally cold or emotionally distant with you. Okay. And as a result of this distance, you're starting to, with the Strength in reverse, you're starting to doubt yourself. You're starting to question maybe yourself, or you're starting to question the relationship. With the Strength in reverse, perhaps this is like you're starting to worry, you're starting to stress. There may be some fears coming up to the surface. You're feeling insecure. You're feeling insecure because this person is being very distant with you. And maybe for some of you Leos, not for all of you, but for some of you Leos, this isn't the first time this has happened. Okay. All right, what does this person want with Leo? What do they want? What do they desire with Leo? What does this person want and what do they desire with Leo? The Two of Swords. Okay, why the Two of Swords for what this person desires with Leo? The Four of Wands. To me, this makes me feel like this person desires to shut you out. And not because for any ill intent. They desire to like shut you out or exclude you, if I can put it like that, because with the Two of Swords, they're feeling indecisive. They're unsure of whether they should reveal something to you. When I look at the Two of Swords, I'm seeing like it looks like an eclipse. So they're unsure or they're undecided as to whether they should reveal something to you. So they want to, for now, just leave you out of this equation. Okay, they don't want to involve you. They don't want to make something knowledge to you. They don't want to make this knowledge to you. They want to be in a connection or they want to be in a relationship with you, but I do see this person leaving you out of some information, leaving information out here. Because they're just not sure whether they should bring it to your attention or they should bring awareness around it to you. Maybe for this person, they're just not clear, they're just not sure. Because what's happening here with the Two of Swords is just the head isn't aligning to the heart. Okay, maybe their heart is saying, yeah, maybe I should tell Leo, but their head's saying, no, 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 don't tell Leo, not yet, not yet. It's something like that, okay? All right, what does Leo want? What does Leo want? What does Leo want? What does Leo desire? Okay, the Tower. The Tower. Why the Tower for Leo's want? Why the Tower for Leo, Spirit? Why the Tower for Leo? The Five of Wands. Okay. I don't know why I'm laughing, but it's kind of like you want to... How do I put this respectfully? Because I don't want to stand on anybody's toes here, Leo. But it's almost like you want to poke the bear, if I can put it like that. I don't feel like you want to start a fight, but you kind of do. So with the Tower, you want something to change. Obviously, you don't want distance. You don't want this person to shut you out. The Tower is saying, well, Rosa, I want this situation to change. I don't want this person to make me feel like I'm outcasted. I don't want to feel like emotionally disconnected from my person. I want to feel close. So you want like this situation to change. You want a shift to happen. In order for the shift to happen, it's almost like with the Five of Wands here, in order for the shift to happen, you're saying, well, I've got to make that change. I've got to make this happen. And you're sort of saying here, well, you're willing to do something that may provoke the change. Okay. Now, this is the Five of Wands can be like a testy energy. You may want to kind of like express yourself, express your views or express your concerns. You may realize that it might not come across well received by the other person, but ultimately you want something to change. Okay, because you don't like being like, you don't like the situation as it is, put it that way. Okay. Something has to give, something has to change. And you're saying here, well, if I have to be the one to start this conversation, then it's going to have to be me. Yeah. All right. What action will this, oops, wrong cards. What action will this person take towards Leo? If they will take action, Leo. So let's take a look at their actions. What action will this person take towards Leo? What will they say? What will they do? The Three of Wands. Okay, why the Three of Wands for this person's actions? The Three of Cups reversed. Okay. So I see the Three of Wands as kind of like a projection into the future. But the Three of Cups is in reverse, which is, it's a card of connection, Leo, but it is reversed. So perhaps this week or at this time when you tune into this reading, I don't see this person specifically taking direct action towards you. It almost makes me feel like they're just waiting for the right time here. Like they're sort of saying, well, the time isn't right to connect with Leo, to share with Leo. There is a waiting here with the Three of Wands. They are projecting into the future that they will, but not right now. Right now, when the Three of Cups is in reverse, this person is choosing to be by themselves or to stick to themselves. Okay. How will Leo respond to this? How will Leo respond to this? The Moon. Well, I see the Moon as obviously you being concerned as a standalone card. You will respond by being concerned, being scared, or being afraid, because the Moon is it's a shadow of doubt. Because this person isn't giving you clarity, you know. Ace of Swords, I just said that. Now, because this person isn't giving you clarity, because this person is making you feel a feeling of fear, you're taking it upon yourself here with the Ace of Swords to reach out to this person. Okay, so you're like, well, if they're not going to reach out to me, if they're not going to start the conversation, then I'm going to be brave and I'm going to be bold and I'm going to take it upon myself to start this conversation. because you just want the truth. You're just looking for clarity. You just want this person to be transparent with you, Leo. You don't want to be left out here in with the moon. You don't want to feel left out. You don't want to be kept in the dark. You don't want to be kept in the dark. Yeah, fair enough. All right, what's the possible outcome looking like for this situation? Four of Wands, possible outcome. Why the Four of Wands for the possible outcome, please, Spirit? The Nine of Swords. Possible outcome. Look, I feel with the possible outcome, Leo, that the clarity or the truth that you're looking for isn't going to come. The Four of Wands suggests that you want to feel safe, you want to feel secure, but the Nine of Swords, it's a card of stress, okay? It's a card of worry, it's over-analyzing, overthinking. It doesn't look like this person is doing anything to put your mind at ease or put your mind at rest, or yeah, it doesn't look like they are giving you that peace of mind or giving you that clarity that you really are seeking or wanting at this time. Okay? So in the possible outcome regarding this situation, I see a very unstable situation, or just this situation in general prolonging for now. What's the advice for Leo? What's the advice? The Father of Swords. Why the Father of Swords? The Page of Cups. You've just got to pull back, Leo. You've just got to pull back. You've just got to detach with the Father of Swords. Harder said than done. I get it, because you are emotionally invested. I get it. But the advice here with the Father of Swords is to be maybe more head over heart. Okay, just be detached in this situation. Pull back. Maybe, give this person some breathing space. Page of Cups in reverse. Just give this person some breathing space. Let this person come to you. Let them come to you with whatever they need to come to you with when they're ready. That's it, I'm kind of hearing you can't draw blood out of a stone right now. The Page of Cups, this could be your person. So the advice would be, Leo, that your person may be going through a very difficult time right now. They don't want to appear maybe sensitive or weak. Perhaps this person doesn't want to be an emotional sponge, or come across like they're dumping on you, is what I mean. So, like I said, just the advice would be just to pull back, give this person some space and some breathing room. Yeah, because it looks like when this person is well adjusted, they will open up to you. Okay, I'm not seeing that they will right now, but it looks like they have intentions to. Just the time isn't right now, is what I can see with the cards that are on the table. Right now, just in your situation, I see a very unstable situation continuing. This person doesn't feel with the Nine of Swords even that it is the right time to open up and reveal. And maybe this is their own stresses, this is their own fears, this is their own insecurities. Maybe they don't feel like they can share this with you. Maybe they're just getting in their... This is like they're getting in their own head about it. It's kind of like they're saying, if I open up and share this with Leo, what will Leo think about me? What if Leo doesn't love me anymore? What if Leo doesn't like me anymore? Like, this is an overthinker, overanalyzer. And next to the Four of Wands, this person is afraid to open up because they don't want to maybe damage the foundation of your relationship or connection. Does that make sense? They don't want to damage it. They want to keep it intact. Now, I'm not saying this to scare you or make you afraid. I don't see anything sinister or bad here with this person. I feel like it's something more like going on personally for this person, like internally, you know. So I just say, give this person some time, allow space in this situation, and in their own time, they will come to you. Okay, because that's what they're showing me with the Three of Wands and the Three of Cups. They're just saying now isn't the right time, but they do see it they are projecting sometime in the future, which could be like next week or in 3 weeks, they will. So that's where I leave the reading, Leo. Like, share, subscribe if it resonates. Let me know your thoughts, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye, guys.